Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, where we stopped in the last class? Yes, we complete the story of a river. Okay, then first I will ask some questions. Okay, where did Ganga start? What did Gomukh, the place of Gomukh. Then what is the name of that place? The three rivers met. This meeting place of three rivers. Yes, Triveni Sangam. Okay, then today we are going to discuss about the exercise part, page number 31. Exercise part. Okay, all of you take page number 31. Exercise part. Let us understand. Tick the right answers. First activity, tick the right answers. Gomukh is the place where. Gomukh. എന്താണ് ആ പ്ലേസിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ സ്പെഷ്യാലിറ്റി ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് പ്ലേസ്? Gomukh place. Gomukh is the place where there are three options. Which are there? The Ganga is born, all the cows meet, rivers end. The Ganga is born, all the cows meet, rivers end. Which is the answer? What is the specialty of Gomukh? Yes, Gomukh is the Ganga is born. Yes, all of you take that answer. The Ganga is born. Option A. The Ganga is born. The Ganga is born. Okay, the Ganga is born. Okay, all of you take the answer. Yes, very good. The next, the Ganga is a fast, tiny stream when she flows. The Ganga is a fast, tiny streams when she flows. ഏതിലൂടെയാണ് tiny streams ആയിട്ട് ഗംഗ ഒഴുകി വരുന്നത്? The Ganga is fast, tiny streams when she flows. There are three options: through the plains, down the mountains, into the sea. Through the plains, down the mountains, into the sea. Which place? Down the mountains. Option B. Down the mountains. Down the mountains. Okay, down the mountains. Okay, tick the answer. Then page number 32. A delta forms when a river. There are three options. ഒരു ഡെൽറ്റ എപ്പോഴാണ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്? ഒരു റിവറിന് എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് ഡെൽറ്റയായി മാറുന്നത്? There are three options. Begins in its life as a stream, breaks up into tiny rivers before flowing into the sea, is joined by other rivers. Okay, first one, begins its life as a stream. ഒരു സ്ട്രീം ആയിട്ട് അതിന്റെ ലൈഫ് തുടരുമ്പോഴാണ് അല്ലേ? Then breaks up into tiny rivers before flowing into the sea. Then is joined by other rivers. Which one? Option B. All of you take option B. What is that? Breaks up into tiny rivers before flowing into the sea. എന്താണ്? കടലിലേക്ക് പതിക്കുന്നതിന് മുൻപ് ടൈനി റിവേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ട് ചെറിയ ചെറിയ റിവറുകളായിട്ട് ബ്രേക്ക് ചെയ്ത് പോകുമ്പോഴാണ് എന്ത് രൂപപ്പെടുന്നത്? ഡെൽറ്റ ഫോം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നത് അല്ലേ? ബ്രേക്സ് up into tiny rivers before flowing into the sea. Okay. Then fourth one. The Ganga Sagar is where the Ganga joins the Ganga Sagar is where the Ganga join the sea, Yamuna, Saraswati. Which one? C. All of you take option B. Sorry, option A. C. Okay. The Ganga Sagar is where the Ganga join the sea. Okay. I hope all of you complete the activity. Okay. Next, answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions. I will send in your class groups. Okay. All of you study that very well. Okay, then vocabulary. All of you listen. Vocabulary section. In this lesson, you read words such as banks, delta, streams, etc. These are words related to a river. Let us learn some more words like them. Okay, in this lesson you read words such as bank, delta, streams. Okay, in this lesson you learn the words bank, banks, delta, streams, like that. Okay, here these are words related to a river. Delta, banks, streams എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത് എന്തുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ള വേർഡ്സുകളാണ്? റിവറുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ള വേർഡ്സുകളാണ് അല്ലേ? Let us learn some more words like them. അതുപോലുള്ള കുറച്ച് വേർഡ്സിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പരിചയപ്പെടാൻ പോകുന്നത്. Okay. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word from the help box. Notice that these words can be used into other situations as well as. Okay. Then here there are 5 words. Here there are 5 words. Bottom, channel, sorry, canal, source, whirlpool and mouth. Whirlpool and mouth. Then canal. Okay. Then all of you listen. All of you read that words. If you okay, all of you read that words. Okay, then we can discuss. First one, bottom. It is the deepest part of a river. It is called the dash. It is the deepest part of a river. It is called the dash. ഒരു റിവറിന്റെ ഡീപ്പസ്റ്റ് ഭാഗത്തിനാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുക? Yes. Yes, bottom. First one, bottom. Bottom. First one, bottom. Okay. Then there is another 4 questions here. Then do yourself. Okay. This is your homework. Do yourself. Okay, you find out the meaning of that words and write the answers. Okay, if you have any doubt about this activity, you can ask me. Okay, then next all of you take page number 33. Page number 33. Page number 33. Language and grammar. Language and grammar. Read the following sentence. A word which describes a noun is called an adjective. Okay, no, already we studied about what is adjective. ഒരുപാട് തവണ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചതും ഒരുപാട് ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസും ചെയ്തതുമാണ് അല്ലേ? എങ്ങനെ നമുക്കൊരു അഡ്ജക്റ്റീവിനെ കണ്ടെത്താം എന്നുള്ളത് അല്ലേ? Okay, a word which describes a noun called adjective. Adjective എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? ഒരു നൗണിനെ ഡിസ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് കൂടുതലായിട്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡിസ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയും? അഡ്ജക്റ്റീവ് എന്ന് പറയും അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ദ ഗംഗ ഈസ് എ ലോങ് റിവർ. The Ganga is a long river. Here, the word long tell us something about the noun river. Long is an adjective. ആ റിവറിനെ ഒന്നുകൂടി ഒന്ന് ഡിസ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ഉപയോഗിച്ച വേർഡാണ് എന്ത് ലോങ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ലോങ് ഇസ് എ ഡിസ്ക്രൈബിംഗ് വേർഡ്. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് adjective. Okay, then page all of you next all of you take page number 34. Page number 34. Okay, all of you listen. Underline the adjective in the sentence. Underline the adjective in the sentence. The Ganga is a holy river. Okay, here activities that underline the adjectives. Okay, the first one, the Ganga is a holy river. All of you listen. All of you read the sentence. Which word is adjective here? The Ganga is a holy river. The Ganga is a holy river. Which word is adjective? Yes, the Ganga is a holy river. Here, holy is the adjective. Holy. First one, all of you underline holy. Holy. Okay, holy. Then second sentence. There are dark caves in the mountains. There are dark caves in the mountains. Okay, you say the answer. Which is adjective? There are dark caves in the mountains. There are dark caves in the mountains. Yes, dark. Your answer is correct. Dark. Because ആ കേവിന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിച്ച ഒരു describing word ആണ് എന്ത് dark. Okay, here dark. Second one, dark. Third one. Okay, third sentence. The mountains are covered with cool green forest. The mountains are covered with cool green forest. Okay, all of you listen. The mountains are covered with cool green forest. Which words are adjectives in the sentence? There are two adjectives in the sentence. Which are they? Yes, cool and green. Cool and green. Cool and green. Okay, then fourth one. All of you listen, the fourth. The Ganga is a small stream in the mountains. The Ganga is a small stream in the mountains. All of you listen. The Ganga is small river in the mountain. Okay, which word is adjective? Yes, small. ആ സ്ട്രീമിന് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിച്ച ഡിസ്ക്രൈബിംഗ് വേർഡ് ആണല്ലേ സ്മോൾ. Small. Fifth sentence. The Ganga is a slow broad river in the plains. The Ganga is a slow broad river in the plains. Okay, which are the adjectives? The Ganga is a slow broad river in the plains. Yes, slow and broad. Slow and broad. Slow and broad. Then sixth, last one, sixth. The Himalayas are high mountains. The Himalayas are high mountains. Okay, which one is adjective? Yes, high. High. Okay, all of you listen. First sentence, holy. Second, dark. Third, cool and green. Fourth one, small. Fifth one, slow, broad. And sixth one, high. All of you underline these words in your textbook. These are the adjective in the sentences. Okay. Okay, I hope all of you have completed the activity. Next, read the following sentence. Read the following sentence. Ganga joins the sea. The word joins is a verb, a doing word that expresses an action. Okay. We already studied about doing word or action words. Okay, here the Ganga is the join. The joins is a verb. Verbal aanu എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു പ്രവൃത്തിയാണെങ്കിൽ അതെന്താണ് വെർബുകളാണ് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. Okay, here joins the verb. Verb it means joining word. Joining wordകൾ. Okay, then here activity is that pick out the verbs in the sentence that tell us what the Ganga does. Pick out the verbs in the sentence. ഈ സെൻറ്റൻസിലെ വെർബിനെ കണ്ടെത്തണം. ഓക്കെ, then write that side. Okay, here the Ganga grows bigger and bigger. The Ganga grows bigger and bigger. Okay, in the sentence which one is doing word or verb? The Ganga grows bigger and bigger. Okay, which word? Grows. വലുതായി വരികയാണല്ലേ, grows. First one, grows. Grows. Then second, the Ganga flows very fast. The Ganga flows very fast. Okay, which one is verb? The Ganga flows very fast. Yes, flows. Okay, all of you write the answers in this side. Okay, flows. Then third, the Ganga heads towards the sea. The Ganga heads towards the sea. Yes, heads. Okay, heads. The next one, fourth one. The Ganga breaks into many small rivers. The Ganga breaks into many small rivers. Okay. The Ganga breaks into many small rivers. Okay. Yes, breaks. Breaks പറഞ്ഞാൽ മുറിഞ്ഞു പോകും അല്ലേ, breaks. Breaks. Okay. The Ganga ends her journey. The Ganga ends her journey. Okay, which is a verb in the sentence? The Ganga ends her journey. Yes, ends. അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുക അല്ലേ, ends. Fifth word, ends. Okay, all of you underline, all of you write the verb in the side in your textbook. First, grows. Second, flows. Third, hurts. Fourth, breaks. And fifth, ends. Okay. Okay, all of you write these words. Okay. Then next, read the following examples. Read the following examples. By adding next activity, by adding D, leave becomes lived. Dive becomes dived. Bake becomes baked. Like becomes liked. Tie becomes tied. Okay, the simple past tense of verb is formed in different ways. The simple past tense of verb is formed in different ways. Okay, simple past tense ഇതുപോലെയാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, ഫോം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുന്നത് അല്ലേ. ഓക്കെ, ആഡിങ് ഡി വെച്ച്. ഓക്കെ, here some sentence here. Then fill in the blanks with the simplest tense form in the verb given above. ഇവിടെ മേലെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള സിമ്പിൾ പാസ്റ്റ് ടെൻസ് വേർഡ്സ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് താഴെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. ഓക്കെ, ഐ വിൽ റീഡ് ദ സെൻറ്റൻസ്. റീന dash next to the post office. Rina dash next to the post office. Okay, here live, die, bake, like, tie. Which one? Rina dash next to the post office. Okay, which is a suitable word? Lived. Okay, first one lived. All of you write in your textbook. Lived. First one. Lived. Then second one. My mother dash a cake for my birthday. My mother dash a cake for my birthday. Okay. My mother dash a My mother dash a cake for my birthday. Okay. Which one? Baked. Baked. Cake ആണല്ലേ bake ചെയ്യുക. Baked. Then third one. The farmer dashed a cow to a tree. The farmer dashed the cow to a tree. ഒരു ട്രീയിൽ ഒരു കൃഷിക്കാരൻ ഒരു ട്രീയിൽ കൗവിനെ കെട്ടിയിട്ടു എന്നാണ് വേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, ടൈ മീൻസ് കെട്ടിടുക അല്ലേ, കെട്ടുക. Then tied. Okay, the farmer tied the cow into the tree. Tied. Okay, fourth one, tied. Ajay dash into the pool. Ajay dash into the pool. എന്താ ചെയ്യുക പൂളില്? yes, dive ചെയ്യുക അല്ലേ. Then simple past tense, dived. 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 Okay, then fifth one. Sohan dash going for long walk. Sohan dash going for long walk. Okay. Like. Okay, last option like. Then how to write in simple past tense? Liked. Okay, liked. Okay, then first one lived, second baked, third tied, fourth dived, and fifth liked. Okay, all of you write these words in your textbook. Okay, I hope all of you are completed. Then collect different, then I will give you one activity for you, writing practice. In your notebook, write a 10 sentence on the usefulness of rivers. Okay, നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ ചെറിയൊരു 10 വേർഡ്സ് എഴുതണം. ഒരു റിവറിനെ കൊണ്ടുള്ള നമ്മളെ യൂസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ, എന്താ ഉപകാരമായിട്ടുള്ള അല്ലെ, എന്തെല്ലാം കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് ഒരു റിവർ കൊണ്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു 10 സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് യുവർ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ in this chapter in this class we discussed the activities, and I give you one homework vocabulary. Okay, then answer the following questions. I will send in your class groups. Okay, if you have any doubt about these activities, you can ask me. Okay, then we can meet next class. Thank you.